A federal judge has temporarily blocked President Trump's executive order ending the constitutional guarantee of birthright citizenship, regardless of the parent's immigration status.
This comes as the president targets sanctuary cities as part of his immigration crackdown and then threatens to prosecute state and local leaders who go against federal immigration policy.
Fox's Sarah Alegre is live at the San Diego border. Sarah, tensions are high right now between local governments and the federal government.
Yeah, hi there, Courtney, Tom. Absolutely. You know, President Trump's border czar, Tom Homan, has promised to grant sanctuary cities exactly what they don't want. More agents on the ground, more enforcement, and arrests. And the changes this week has brought along some strong reaction from both supporters and critics.
They have to make those tough choices.
The Trump administration is tightening immigration enforcement, with deportations already underway. Now, immigration attorney Esther Valdez is advising her clients.
They have to establish who's going to stay with the house, or they also have to choose if they're going to separate their family or take their family with them.
Trump's border czar Tom Homan says the feds are focused on deporting immigrants with criminal histories. The administration has also lifted restrictions on ICE agents entering schools and churches, but only with a warrant.
It has to be targeted for that one individual, and they need to be able to see that judicial warrant before ICE is allowed on the premises.
Adiel Mandujano is Esther's client. DACA's protected him and other dreamers since 2012, but the program's future remains uncertain.
It would frankly be a little daunting if it were to come to a stop.
But Trump has said the GOP is open to keeping dreamers in the U.S. So for now, Adiel is optimistic.
I do trust in the American government that it will proceed as they believe is rightly so.
Migrant advocates like Pedro Rios are raising concerns about Trump's plans to deploy 1,500 troops to the southern border.
That's not the way to do immigration law. We need to focus on uplifting people's human rights, ensuring that their dignity is respected.
Others say it was Biden's handling of mass migration that led to stricter enforcement policies.
It's been unlawful. It hasn't been case by case. So we're looking at fixing the immigration system, fixing what's broken as well, and focusing it on the American needs.
Yeah, in the meantime, the Pentagon has a promise to help deploy a military aircraft to deploy more than 5,000 migrants stretching from here at the San Diego sector all the way east of me to El Paso, Texas. At the San Diego border, Sarah Alegre, Fox 5 News.
Sarah, thanks. If you've been to the